is here. I'm checking the trade on my phone because I entered it on the phone instead of the computer. So stop loss at 299, and the take profit is open since we're at all-time highs. And I really wanted to show you guys something on the 5-minute, like how I use the candlesticks and volume to either gain confirmation or to help me hold the trade. Welcome back to another video. Ooh, it's been a while. It's currently Tuesday, the 25th. I was actually supposed to upload today, but I've been really busy. Like outside of trading, life has been, busy, which I'm very grateful for, but busy nonetheless. But I'm still trying to bring you guys content, still trying to show you the trades that I take every day. Last I checked in with you on Monday morning, but I didn't give you the update of the second trade that I took. That was a loss. So the first trade was break even, the second trade was a loss, and this morning I had a trade which was also a loss. Been on a losing streak, I can't lie. I have been on a losing streak. So as I think I lost trades before, let me see, yeah, I lost this one and then another break even. So it's been about 4 or 5 trades consecutive. So I'm watching my account is, so before we go any further, I'm also in another trade. So glad I got to open the camera. It's 2:30, well 2:27 in the afternoon. A little bit late. Actually gotta go out this evening as well. But I'm in this trade. It's possible that we see movement up here. It's possible. But yeah, that's the parameters of this trade that I'm in. Hopefully it goes well. Just wanted to give you guys that update though. I'm in it on all the accounts. I already suffered a loss. So the account, by the way, is at $6,178. So yeah, from 6,200 and what was it, 50 something. Had a $80 something loss this morning. Using the same lot size, not gonna over leverage to try to make back anything as small move. This is the lot size, this is the risk that I'm comfortable with, and yeah, just gonna hold it for the long run. Give you guys an update once we get to any one of our areas of interest, like up here or right there. Alright, great. I'm gonna check back in with you guys once we either get to the areas of interest, or depending on how it's looking, take profit or stop loss. Should be a short video today. Didn't get a chance to open the camera this morning because my background was really noisy. But yeah, it's been a while. I know. It's currently Friday, the 5th of July. The last trade I took was on the 26th of June. Literally 8 trading days ago. But I'm here now. Different background, different environment. I don't know why the camera kind of look like it's slant, but it's not. It's straight, and this wood that's running across on the wall is straight as well. I do not know why it's slant. We're in a trade. It's been a very long time since I placed a trade, but I'm in a trade. And I just thought I should open the camera. I thought you guys deserved an update at least. Not feeling that well. I wasn't really feeling well the past couple of days, this entire week, to be honest. But still was actively watching the markets. I just didn't have any opportunities at all. So instead of just, placing random trades just to make a video or whatever the case is, I thought it would be best for me to wait until I have a valid opportunity to trade. But like I said, I'm in a trade, and I can't even remember exactly where I got into this trade from. So we're in this trade from here. The stop loss is here. I'm checking the trade on my phone because I entered it on the phone instead of the computer. So stop loss at 299, and the take profit is open since we're at all-time highs. I would be comfortable with a 1 to 2 and done for the day, you know, and that would be 450, basically 100 pips, 100 pip move. Yeah, this is the parameters of the trade. I also sent this out to the community, so yeah, just thought I should give you guys this update, open the camera beforehand, and I'll let you know how it goes. We had news this morning already, so I ain't really expecting any type of rash or violent type movement, so I guess I'll come back in a little while from now, but regardless, I'll give you guys an update. Alright, I'm sweating right now. It's about, I don't know, a couple of minutes later when I got into this trade. 11:25. Alright, it's about an hour later, and I really wanted to show you guys something on the 5-minute, like how I use the candlesticks and volume to either gain confirmation or to help me hold the trade. So while this is happening right now, it's good that it's playing out while I'm recording, so I could explain in real time. These, if we look here, this set of bearish price action, even though I was in this trade and I saw this set of bearish price action, it was like I already knew that this fair value gap here exists and another one down here, right? So regardless, even if price come down, I would at least expect to see some type of reaction, right? Once price got here, I noticed the volume bars, they weren't like that large, but still they had some size. However, once price retraced into this fair value gap and you saw this bullish volume bar, it's number one, it's smaller than all three of the volume bars, the bearish volume bars that occurred before, right? That's one. But the candle, the corresponding candle to this volume bar right here is this, and it's larger than the entire space occupied by the previous 3 bearish candles. That's a lot of confirmation saying, okay, bearish like volume isn't here at this point. Price has a willingness to push higher. That's what it at least meant to me. And seeing the close of this candle above these highs and the next candle itself leaving a little fair value gap between the two, let me just, right, probably see it much better now. But yeah, this is the bearish. I don't know if this is a let's call it, or the blocks and everything. I don't know how to identify it. I don't trade with it, but you know, everything does work once you tweak it. Not everything, but you can make things work. But yeah, I saw that as a willingness to push higher, and if this candle is well closed, leaving this gap open, that's also an extra confirmation, extra bit of confirmation telling me that hey, price might have a willingness to go higher. So just wanted to give you guys that update. We're still not exactly at where I was aiming for, 100 pips. We're at 50% of that, and is it 50%? Am I aiming for 100 pips? Yeah, 100 pips. We're at 50% of that, and just wanted to give you that update that we're still holding this trade. I entered a second position as well, but I don't know why it's not allowing me to show you guys the balance. I don't know what's going on with the internet, or because I'm exporting a video right now, the computer just tripping. Been doing that lately, but that's a conversation for another video. Anyhow, we in this trade. Oh, I could show you out on my phone. 2 positions. Let me come out to the frame. Yeah, I can see the 2 positions, $98 in profit on the prop account. About $90 now. Equity at $6,316 from balance 6,224. Still in closing, but yeah, just giving you guys that update for now. Going to come back and check in with you once we, you know, get to another area of interest or something. Yeah, and we're back. Perfect timing, I suppose. The video just finished exporting, so yeah, a whole another hour and change later, and we had another set of retracement taking out the low of the pullback from before, where I was explaining just now to y'all. And yeah, we finally up above there after all this drawdown and whatever the case is. The chart's still in loading on funded next for some reason. Alright, so we can see here the equity is 6,336. So yeah, but for some reason I just can't pull up the actual charts to show you guys the trades actually open. Back at $110 in profit. I got a kind of, not at the over leverage, because I just take out the rest of the balance and left in like $25 or whatever, well $23, and then $19 in profit in it. I don't know if y'all could see, I don't know if y'all actually see when I do this here, or if this is a waste of time, but I wait $20 right now, and it's a $23 account. I still holding to take profit, which is it's about 40 pips away, 41 pips away. Anyways, just wanted to come in and give you guys that update. Still holding this one. Gonna see how it plays out, if it's gonna have bullish movement going all the way to take profit, or are we gonna see a little bit more consolidation and a slowdown in price, another retracement. We don't know. It's Friday. The news gone for today, so like I said earlier, I ain't expecting no crazy move, but it's trading, you know. Price can do whatever it want to do, so it can do whatever it want to do. Yeah, y'all know what I mean. I'm gonna check back in with y'all in a couple minutes, man. It's 20 minutes later, and I closed the trade, sent it out to the group and everything, so you know, that's how update y'all as well. So hey, done for the day. I made $120 some. Do I think it's gonna go to take profits though? Probably, but the price is slowing up and I don't want to risk it, so I'm already comfortable. I'm already good, not comfortable, good with what I got. So that's it for the day. Price is gonna do whatever it want to do. We're at all-time highs and it's Friday afternoon. I really don't want to hold the trade for much longer, so yeah. Also got other things that I really want to do, and the trading kind of, you know, keeping me checking on the chart or thinking about the chart. So now that I'm out of it, get to focus there. That's another W. So one thing that I'm now remembering is that I did not journal this trade. Ooh. Let me just cop that right there real quick. But yeah, my thoughts are all over the place and I can't get myself to talk to y'all the way I want to talk to y'all, present my points the way I want to. I'm not gonna do a whole analyzing or anything of this chart or this price action. This was the trade. The account balance is at like 6,350 something. Yeah, $51. So yeah, we up on the account. So I'm not gonna pay attention to how far away I am from passing the challenge or the target or whatever the fuck, cause bro, I more than likely make about $3,000 on this account so far and lose just $3,000 or so. It make no sense. It's just our account to me, bro. Anyways, this is a boring ass video. I didn't mean to do it like this, bro. But just know in the future you can get back to normal and get back to all the, you know, energy and shit. Still ain't feeling the well. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Not TP hit or anything. I still can't show y'all the account balance there, but yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. Definitely can catch y'all in the next video, where we do the most again. Until the next one, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I gotta start saying this more earlier, but peace.
Bye, have a great time.